Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for September 17th. We're looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair surged to the upside, closed higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 79.17, possibly as low as 77.88. Look for some resistance to the upside around 78.95 and look for some support around 78.15. Now, the Euro-USD pair closed, did break the previous session's high, closed just a hair lower. We are looking for it to potentially go up and hit some resistance around 131.75, possibly moving down, hitting support around 129.75. Look for the pound-US dollar pair to continue its upward movement, potentially up to 163.22, possibly down to 161.56. Look for some resistance around 162.75 and look for some support around 161.75. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed up, created an inside bar. We are looking for it overall to continue to the downside. However, we could get a reversal up to 0.9340, possibly down to 0.9205. Look for some resistance around 0.9315. and look for some support around 0.9225. Now, as far as news analysis go, we do have some news announcements tomorrow. We have the Bank of Japan releasing their monetary policy meeting notes or report tomorrow, no time given. We also have the pound releasing their consumer price index for August at 4:30 a.m. Eastern. Consensus on that is that it's dropped just slightly from 2.6% down to 2.5%. Then at 5 a.m. Eastern, we have the German ZEW survey economic sentiment for September being released. Consensus on that is that it has moved a little bit higher from a negative 25.5 up to a negative 20. Okay, as far as what I'm looking for during this next session, looking for the US Swiss to break through to the downside and continue lower. The Euro USD, which is negatively correlated, this pair did close down by just a little bit, but did break the previous session's high. The US Swiss did not break the previous session's low and has created an inside bar. So I am looking for it to drop. We have a very strong area of previous support that runs right around the 0.9114 mark. We're currently at the 192.35 mark. I do believe we will push through that area during the next several sessions. If we just take a look at this, maybe we can zoom in a little bit longer, or a little bit closer. Put our stop loss above the high of yesterday. If we get a break to the downside, it's about a 60 pip stop loss, and looking for it to drop about 102 or 120 pips, so a 2-to-1 risk to reward there. So looking for a stop loss above it and looking for it to break to the downside. Well, that pretty much wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.